Welcome to AI in Motion, where AI meets industry. In today's episode, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of factory automation and robotics. From assembly lines to predictive maintenance, AI is the driving force behind the next industrial revolution. Imagine a factory where machines don't just work, they think. Robots analyze data in real time, adjust their performance, and even predict when they're about to break down. That's not science fiction. That's the reality of AI in manufacturing today. Smart sensors collect massive amounts of data from every corner of the factory floor. AI algorithms process that data instantly, optimizing everything from energy use to supply chain logistics. This means fewer breakdowns, faster production, and better quality control, all without human intervention. In the past, factories relied on scheduled maintenance. Today, predictive maintenance powered by AI can detect issues before they happen. This reduces downtime, cuts costs, and keeps the production line running smoothly. And it's not just about machines. AI also helps people. Human workers can collaborate with robots, using augmented reality and AI-powered tools to boost productivity and safety. Together, humans and machines are building smarter, faster, and more efficient factories. This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we'll see even more breakthroughs in automation, robotics, and industrial intelligence. Stay tuned as we explore more innovations changing the way we build, move, and live. Thanks for watching AI in Motion, where AI meets industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the future of manufacturing.